Minister Virani, you were a member of this very committee when on May the 30th, 2022, we ordered the production of the government's legal opinion. That motion passed unanimously. You were in support of that, Minister Virani. Now that you're in a position to do something about it, will you turn over the legal opinion?
The opinions and advice are matters of privilege, which you'll appreciate as a fellow counsel, Mr. Brock. So those are, and I believe you've received a response both from the previous Deputy Minister, Mr. Daig, and also the current Deputy Minister who's sitting beside me to that effect.
I don't appreciate that, Minister Virani. What is the government hiding?
Mr. Brock, we can discuss the importance of solicitor-client privilege, but I'll put it in a pithy manner. It is an important principle that has existed for literally centuries in our joint profession that you and I both...
There's precedent. If I interrupt, this is my time. If I can interrupt.
Madam Chair, can I finish my response?
Precedent. Minister Virani, this is my time.
Point of order. Excuse me. It's very difficult for the interpreters to interpret when you talk over top of each other. So, Mr. Brock, I'll set you back to 45 seconds. Can you just shorten your question so we can get an answer in?
Mr. Virani, there is ample precedent of numerous governments, including this particular government, to have waived legal opinion, to have waived solicitor-client privilege. If the Prime Minister, to Justice Rouleau, was so serene and confident in his decision to invoke the Emergencies Act in light of Justice Mosley's repudiation of the invocation of that act, what is the government hiding?
Briefly, please, Mr. Brown.
I would say solicitor-client privilege is foundational to the development of legal advice in a candid and frank manner between a solicitor and their client. It is a sacrosanct privilege that has existed for centuries in British common law, and it is one that this government firmly believes in terms of producing.
And you, sir, have the
legal
position
advice.
to waive that privilege.
Well, now